Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome you all behalf of Super Public Higher Secondary School Rodi. Today I am going to discuss very important topic, that is tense. You must have heard that if you want to learn grammar you must have to learn tenses. The basic need is to understand, not just to cram. So, looking at this point, we are going to start a series of tenses in which every video will consist of a few facts that how we use these tenses in our writing and speaking. So, let's start the tenses. Tense is that form of verb which shows the time and state of an action or an event. Like if I say I want to know when the work actually happened or if it really happening right now. To specify an action we have basically three types of tenses: present, past and future. Number 1 is present tense. Present tense is used for actions taking place in the present time. In present time we see what is happening right now means at the moment. Like if I talk about this moment I will use present tense. For example, today is my birthday, so I have a holiday today. On my birthday, I always do my work early in the morning so that I'm free for the day. Next one is past tense. The past tense is used for action that took place in the past time, like what actually has happened in the past now that work has finished. That means we are not doing that right now. For example, it was my birthday yesterday, so I had a holiday then. I did my work early in the morning so that I was free for the day. The third and last one is future tense. The future tense is used for actions that will take place in the future time. For example, it will be my birthday tomorrow, so I shall have a holiday then. I shall do my work early in the morning so that I shall be free for the day. My birthday will be on Wednesday. I hope you have understood it. Inshallah, we will discuss more about it in our next lesson.